The United Nations court heard details of life under bombardment for Palestinians in Gaza as South Africa laid out its case accusing Israel of committing genocide. It could take years for the International Court of Justice to decide whether Israel has breached the Genocide Convention, but South Africa is asking it to urgently issue an interim order for Israel to immediately suspend its military campaign in Gaza. Representatives for South Africa told the court Israel has breached the Genocide Convention through the mass killing of Palestinian civilians and by deliberately imposing conditions on Gaza that cannot sustain life.
Palestinians in Gaza are being killed by Israeli weaponry and bombs from air, land and sea. They are also at immediate risk of death by starvation, dehydration and disease.
Lawyers for South Africa presented videos and images as part of their evidence, which they say proves all levels of Israel's government, from the country's leaders to soldiers on the ground, have shown intent to commit genocidal acts.
The government of Israel and its military is intent on destroying the Palestinians in Gaza as a group.
Israel has repeatedly rejected accusations of genocide, claiming its military operation is solely focused on destroying the Hamas terrorist organisation following the October 7 attacks.
We are fighting terrorists and we are fighting lies. Today, again, we saw an upside-down world in which Israel is accused of genocide at a time when it is fighting genocide.
Outside the UN court, hundreds took part in separate pro-Israel and pro-Palestinian rallies. Decisions made by the International Court are significant and technically binding for signatory countries like Israel, but are not enforceable. This is a highly anticipated case that is being watched closely around the world. The 17-judge bench is expected to make a provisional ruling in the coming weeks.